Hi all, here is the 5 tips and tricks in MS Excel part 2. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Let's start. Tip number 1. Transpose. I'm having some data in the Excel sheet, name, date of birth and phone number. If I want to transpose this data, select those data and copy and go to where I want, right click and go to transpose. If you're using an older version, click where you want to copy it, go to home tab and in clipboard section go to paste special and select transpose option and click OK. Number 2. Conditional formatting. Here I am having some data for some customers in January, February, March and April, and if I want to apply some conditional in this amounts, highlight those cells, select those cells and go to conditional formatting. Suppose I want to highlight some values greater than 8000, I can apply these values and we can even select change the color and click OK. There are many other conditions are available. You can go through each of this for better conditional formatting, and even you can create new rules from the predefined formats. Number 3. Remove duplicate values. If I want to delete the duplicate entries from the list, then go to Data tab, select Remove Duplicate. A pop-up will be arriving and click the column you want to select the duplication and check OK. The Excel will automatically delete the duplicate entries from the list. If you just want to check the duplicate entry, select the data, go to Home tab, in Conditional Formatting, go to Highlight Cell Rules and Duplicate Values. You can check the duplicate entries in this list. Number 4. Drop-down list. If I want to enter some predefined assigned work which is in this worksheet into this column, then select the area and go to Data tab, click on Data Validation. In this select list, go to Source, click this icon and we can choose the area, go to Work, select the work and click here, click OK. Now you can see whenever I click the cell, you can see a drop down list. You can see there are assigned jobs are there. I can go and assign those values in these cells. If I type something else and click enter, an error pop-up will be coming to recheck the value. And number 5. Combine cells. If you want to combine these two names into this single column, go to that cell and type equal to and click on the first name, then ampersand symbol and click on the second name and enter. So these two will be combined. If you want to space between those two, then after the ampersand put a space between the double quote and again put an ampersand, click enter, then go to the corner of the cell, control double click will automatically fill it. There is also another way to do this. Go to that cell equal to and type concatenate, then after that we have to give the text we want to concatenate. So the first one will be the first column A2 comma. If I want to put a space between that, put a space in between the double quote and after comma click the last name and close the bracket, enter.